Hello guys, welcome once again to this honorable channel. So today let's learn how we can fund our Memefi wallet in order to receive our mined airdrop as required by the project team themselves. There are actually two ways you can do this. First, you can fund it through Web3 wallets. For instance, using MetaMask Trust wallets, any other Web3 wallet at all you need is having Ether already in it, and make sure you withdraw through the linear network. Have I made myself clear here, guys? The second option is to use some of the centralized exchanges, crypto exchanges. For instance, if you have an account on Binance, Mex Global, OKX, or any other verified exchange at all, you can also do it through them. Right, so today I'm here to demonstrate how I am going to do mine. I'm here to demonstrate how I'll fund my own through OKX, a regulated centralized crypto exchange. So if you want to ride along, guys, you need an account with OKX. If you already have one, congratulations. If you don't have, kindly check the description section of this very video. I'll leave a link there. You use it to create your account and you can ride along with us. So first, all we have to do is to open the Memefi mining app in our Telegram account. If you are not already mining Memefi, please, there's a link in the description section. You can use it to join. Make sure you bag some of this free crypto, right? It's crazily going to pay. Remember, this isn't a financial advice. Okay, first I'll have to copy my wallet address. And how do I do that? It's as simple as ABCD, guys. Let me show you. You'll just have to click on wallets. So make sure you create your wallet on the app, and also make sure you save your private key, save your passphrase as well. Okay, when you come here, guys, just click on deposit. Right, you click on deposit and then you click on this icon to copy your address. As simple as ABCD. So we are done in the app. Let's move on to OKX and I'll show you how to go about it, guys. All right, guys, so as I already said, this is my OKX account. So when you open your own, you will see similar interface, right? As you can see from the dashboard, I have 4.55 USDT in it. Okay, so let me click on assets and I'll show you something. If I should come on asset and then click on trading, it's gonna display all the cryptocurrencies I have in my wallet here, and we are here to withdraw Ethereum on the linear network. Remember that. So can you see I have 3.66 USDT. When it comes to swap, I have 1.9k or so. All right, so guys, all our attention should be on the USDT. You see, we need Ethereum, but I have 0 Ethereum in my wallet here, in my account here. So I'll have to trade my USDT to Ether before I can do it. And how do I do that, guys? It's as simple as ABCD. When you come to the site, just click on, oh my god, when you come here, just click on trade. Okay, so all I'll do here is to trade the USDT to ETH, right? And then I'll withdraw it into my wallet. All right, so when it brings you to this page, make sure the pair is set to ETH/USDT. If it's on a different pair, make sure you click on this arrow and then you select ETH/USDT, right? So when I come here, I am here to buy Ether or ETH. So I'll just make sure it has been set to buy. If I was to sell, then I would have select this sell option here. Okay, let's continue. So when you come to buy, the amount of ETH we want to buy should be displayed here, and the total number of USDT we have is also here. So at this point, I'll just tap on this icon here and then drag it to the right side to select all the USDT I have. After that, just click on buy. Okay, and then here you hit confirm. You can see order placed. So it means I have been able to buy ETH. All right, so if I should go back to assets, let me click on assets and then I'll show you something. You'll see I now have ETH, right? I now have 0.0011 ETH, equivalent to 3.66 USDT, right? So it means I can now withdraw. Remember, we are only funding the wallet on Memefi mining app in order to be able to receive our airdrop, in order to cater for gas fee. So it don't have to be that much. All right, just 3, from even 1 to 3 USDT is enough. All right, so when I come to this section, let me go back and show you something. All right, at this point, all I have to do is to click on withdraw. Make sure you follow the process with rapt attention. Here you select withdraw crypto, okay? And guys, one more thing, if you don't have any amount in your account, in your OKX account, you can go through the videos on this channel. All right, there's a particular video dedicated to how you can buy cryptocurrency on any exchange using your local currency, right, through either your mobile money wallet or your bank account. Have I made myself clear, guys? Let's continue. So at this point, after clicking on withdraw, I'll have to click on ETH, right? I'll click on ETH and then I'll select on chain. Follow the video with rapt attention, guys. Now it will bring me to this section. So first I'll have to paste the wallet address I copied there. All right, after that I'll have to select the network, and remember we are dealing on the linear network, okay? We are dealing on the linear network. So here you click on network and make sure you select linear, and this is it right here, guys. All right, so on the network section, make sure you select ETH linear, right? Okay, now on this page, just click on max. I'm actually withdrawing all the ether I bought, okay? So when it comes to this section, you should take note of something here. You should take note of something here. All right, let me remove this, guys. You see there's a network fee of 0.0002 ETH, which is equivalent to around 0.67 cents or so. So in all, or after the withdrawal, when the gas fee or the network fee is deducted, I'm going to receive 0.00095868 ETH in my Memefi wallet. All right, so at this point I'll have to tap on submit, right, and let's wait for the feedback. All right, so here you can read this. It's a caution or a notice telling you to be cautious, right? So click on this to take this guy, and then you click on continue, right? You make sure everything is correct. Make sure the wallet address you copied, make sure the network you are very sure of, and you can also check the details of the transaction here, the amount you are going to receive, the total amount being withdrawn, and also the network fee. All right, so I'll click on confirm. And at this point, this is the security part, right? OKX making sure it's not any other person using my phone. So they are trying to confirm this transaction that it's coming from me using my fingerprint. Okay, so use your screen lock for encryption. Okay, let me click on this and then it will be done. All right, now, so I think it has gone through. Transaction submitted. Okay, transaction submitted. So you can read the notice here, like we are sending 0.00095868 ETH to the address ending with, you see, so those are the last four digits or letters my wallet's address end with. Okay, so if you want to change your mind, you can cancel the request within 1 minute and no fees will be charged. Okay, so in case you don't want to continue with the transaction, you can cancel it, right? So at this point it is done. I don't want to cancel anything. Okay, so let's go back. You can see it has been deducted. So let me click on, when you see this notice here telling you, giving you the status of your transaction. So when it is done, you will see sent here, and after that you open the Memefi mining app and then it will reflect. So let's wait more, guys. All right, guys, at this point, congratulations. Can you see sent there? It means the coins has been deposited into my Memefi mining wallet. So let's go there and check it right now, guys. Okay, guys, back to the business of the day. Now this is my Memefi mining app. So as usual, let's click on wallet to check if it has dropped. Boom, guys, can you see that? So guys, I now have 3 USDT here in ether. Remember, I withdrew ether, so I have 0.00095 ETH here, equivalent to 3.03 USDT. So guys, this is how it is done. Please subscribe to this very channel. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Help us to push this very video to 100 likes, guys. Until next time, happy mining. See you.